Take 18 Oreo cookies, remove the cream and set it aside. Crush the cookies and mix them with 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Add about 1½ tablespoons of the mixture to each cup, keeping a little aside. For the cream, combine 500 ml milk, 1 tablespoon milk powder, and 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Cook over medium heat, stirring until thick and creamy. Add the reserved Oreo cream and a little of the crushed cookies. Mix well, then divide the cream between the cups and refrigerate. For the chocolate topping, gently melt 100 g chocolate with 60 ml milk. Pour it over the cups and decorate each one with an Oreo. And that's it, a creamy, chocolatey Oreo dessert everyone will love. Some disappointments hurt, but they open your eyes to the people who never deserved your trust.